In this video, we will going to talk about a company that is right now is in the great momentum. It has doubled the money of its investor over the last 1 year, and not only in last 1 year, in the recent time also. If you pick up 6 month or 3 month, this company is doing wonders for the people who have invested money. And looking at the current sector that this company belongs to, it looks like that the momentum will going to continue and it will not going to stop here. We are talking about none other than but Orient Cement. Company is growing strongly and so is its stock value. Now, if somebody is really keeping a close eye on what's happening with the Indian market, one would have definitely noticed that the cement sector is in huge demand. Companies like Ultratech, Ambuja, Dalmia Bharat are hitting new highs. Orient Cement Limited has a market cap of around 3,145 crore. The price to earning is 14.73. So price to earning, guys, is something that if company is earning 1 rupee, investors are ready to invest 14 rupee in terms of buying the company. The book value is 63. So the current market price of the stock, if you go and see, is nearing 153. So from book value of 63 to the stock value, the price to book ratio stands at around 2.41. So looking at the price to earning ratio, stock doesn't look very expensive. And some of the current cement companies rather are available at a price earning of more than 35 or 40, and some of them are also available beyond 50. As far as the shareholding patterns are concerned, promoter holds around 37%, followed by Indian public that holds 17%, and mutual funds hold around 16%. And all of you know that if mutual fund is holding a company, it really gives a promising sign, because a lot of fund manager do a lot of research work before making any position, and Orient Cement is in the radar of a lot of mutual funds right now. In last 1 year, Orient Cement has given a return on investment of 123%. In last 6 months, it has given return of 87%. In last 3 months, return are around 45%, and in last 1 month, returns are 15%. So you pick up any time frame, returns are quite better than the regular way of investing money. Company still has to come up with this with its Q1 number. But if you look at the last quarter number, which was Q4, it has come up with a revenue figure of 831 crore, which was up from 654 crore that company had come up with in the last year same quarter, which was Q4. Net profit also grew from 44 CR last year to 99 CR in the Q4. Sequentially, if you see quarter on quarter, results are quite impressive. Revenue have grown from 604 CR to 831 CR, and profit has moved from 53 CR to 99 CR. So these are very promising number, I would say. Technically also, Orient Cement chart is on the bull trend since November 2020, where its 20 days moving average is above 50 days moving average, and RSI is also trending near 70 at the moment. That again shows a buying interest. Looking at the momentum on the technical chart, looking at the strong fundamental of the company, and it is coming up with quite promising number, definitely Orient Cement should be the stock that investors should keep a strong watch on. And from its current market price of 153, it is showing promising sign to the investor that the stock can go beyond 153 level. In fact, people are anticipating that it will cross 200 very soon. So guys, this is the company I really wanted to bring into your knowledge. Go and have a look at the fundamental and the technical parameters that I have shown. If you are new, you would not have understood what is price to earning, what is book value, what is 20 DMA, what is 50 DMA. I always look at these things. I also back it up with a quarterly number that these companies are coming up with, and I have found out that this company is coming up with very promising number. The whole sector, that is cement sector, is in the bull trend. Also, that it is nearing its 52-week high. So all these technical fundamental factor make it a very strong pick. Do have a look, keep it into your watch list, and if you want to diversify your portfolio, this is a sector that you can definitely look for. With this note, I'll sign off. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.